As we know, Adobe has launched its AI software, Adobe FireFly. In this video, we will know how to use it for free and explore it. Type Adobe FireFly on Google and open this link. This page will open. Click on Explore FireFly. Here you can see there are many features like text to image, generative fill, text effects, and much more. 3D to image and extend image are in exploration. Let's try text to image feature. Here you can see they gave you many examples and prompts, so you can use them as examples. I am going to try unicorn prompt with a bit of changing. As you can see, they gave me 4 examples with a bit of fantasy and it's so cool. Let's try something different. Okay, the face is a bit weird. Let's try some different styles and content type. Always remember, good prompts are very important for good results. The results are not bad, and if we try some good prompts, the results will be even better. Let's try another prompt. The results are pretty good. Here, you can try other prompts, or you can also try something of your own. Now, let's try generative fill feature. Let's try an example. I am taking this picture. I am going to add a hat in this area. The results are pretty good. You can also add an image of your choice and edit it. Let's try text effect. I am going to try blue with bubbles effect. Let's try cloud effects too. It can save a lot of time. Many examples with prompts are available here, like red fur, cheese popcorn, and many more. Let's try generative recolor. I am trying the examples they gave. You can also upload a SVG file of your own. In short, you can recolor your files. You can try colors of your own, or there are many examples that you can try. There are also other features that Adobe is exploring in FireFly right now. I don't know what the future will hold, but it's pretty cool and time-saving. Thanks for watching.